If we would obey the law, not because we fear the consequences of breaking it, but because we genuinely take pleasure in doing the right thing.
In a statement sent to newsrooms, the Director of Public Prosecutions, Keriako Tobiko, says he has put on hold a decision on whether or not to prosecute suspended Deputy Chief Justice Nancy Baraza. He says this is to ensure that Baraza's right to fair treatment and due process under the Constitution is not violated and that she is not subjected to multiple concurrent legal processes. This is after President Mwai Kibaki, at the request of the Judicial Service Commission, formed a 7-member tribunal to inquire into the question of removal of office of the Deputy CJ. Baraza has since gone to court to challenge this process, where she relies on the fact that the Director of Public Prosecutions had found the investigations earlier carried out by the police to be incomplete. Meanwhile, in a brief ceremony held at the Supreme Court, members of the tribunal set up to investigate the conduct of the suspended Deputy Chief Justice was sworn in Wednesday morning. The tribunal, to be chaired by Agostino Stephen Lawrence Ramathan, a former Chief Justice of Tanzania, is expected to prepare and submit a report and its recommendations to President Mwai Kibaki.
I, Agostino Stephen Lawrence Ramadhani.
Other members of the tribunal are Professor Judith Mbula, Justice Retired Philip Ransley, Surinder Kapila, Buta Siganga, Grace Madoka, and Professor Mugambi Jesse. Lawyers Valeria Onyango and Gideon Kilakoi were appointed to assist the tribunal. Although the swearing in of the 7-member tribunal now means that it can officially begin its work, the tribunal cannot summon the Deputy Chief Justice for a period of 45 days until a petition filed on her behalf has been heard or until further orders of the court are issued. For Capital News, I'm Catherine Karongo.